I had again just another beautiful cake and espresso here at Grace Cafe. I love it. It's a beautiful place when you're here in Medjugorje. If you want to have peace, some lounge music and just peace, space, you come here. Let's see what's going on around 10 at 11 o'clock here in Medjugorje on August 12, 2022. You see, busy. Nice to see you. And let's see. Thank you. Just nice people here, you know. Here we are at St. James Church. You see, busy. 11 o'clock in the morning, Friday. And let's move. Wow, and you can see it's high season Medjugorje, a lot of people. It's nearly the end of the English Mass. The Italian Mass is following at 11. So you have it normally at 9 o'clock the German Mass, 10 o'clock the English Mass, 11 the Italian Mass, 12 the French Mass. If I'm right, in the church on weekdays.